Today I'm here with McKinney's at the career fair at Lincoln Tech. Obviously, me being a Lincoln Tech grad, I have a little bit of a, I don't want to say soft spot, but I know what the program offers. I went through it. I know the foundation that it gives, and it's a very good foundation. The other thing is we've hired about 6 or 7 techs from Lincoln Tech, and they're all doing phenomenal for us. So just based on my experience at Lincoln Tech, the techs that we have hired from Lincoln Tech and the success that they've had, that's why we're here today, just to continue to build this relationship and just continue to hire good service techs.
Hi, I'm Dylan Hiest. I'm a service technician with E. Smith Heating and Air and a graduate from here at Lincoln Tech. Moved here in 2018 from Baltimore and started at Lincoln Tech the very next day. Got a lot of experience putting hands on equipment and learning different types of machines to work on. And it was actually one of these career fairs where I met the service managers of my company. So we're here at the job fair today to speak to some of the graduates coming through the program to provide some knowledge on what they can expect out in the field, as well as to try to pluck some of the talent out of the program.
My name is James Dean. I'm currently a Year 3 service tech with the local 72 union. I currently work for Maxair as a controls technician. I started Lincoln Tech because I wanted to better my career for my family, and we are currently out here doing the job fair for the Lincoln Tech students. We like to hire Lincoln Tech graduates because they have an excellent HVAC program. Their teachers are very knowledgeable and they help you learn and master the basics. It gives you a great start for your journey into the HVAC career.
We chose Lincoln Tech students because they show the values of what we're looking for in a medical assistant before they graduate. Being dependable, being honest, coming to work and doing what they need to do, not having any issues, no complaints or anything from them or about them.
How Lincoln Tech prepared me for the field was through all the hands-on we have to do. Of course, we did a lot of reading about anatomy and physiology, which helped tremendously, but what really helped me when I went to the field was all the hands-on experience that I had. I was able to experience doing venipuncture with my classmates, as well as doing the vital signs, and that really helped.
We're on campus today with Lincoln Tech just because we realize that there's a shortage of a lot of our field service technicians today, and we decided to partner with Lincoln Tech because we feel like, hey, one, we need to start that relationship earlier in the pipeline to enable us to build that relationship, build the confidence, and communicate the opportunities that we have at Johnson Controls for the Lincoln Tech students. We've hired several Lincoln Tech students over the past 5 months since I've been with the company, and they have been some of our top performers as they've come in. They've come in understanding what certifications they need, how to perform on the job, and they know how to really build a relationship with the team. And that's the biggest thing that I've seen out of Lincoln Tech students when they come on board. They understand, they're flexible, and they're accountable, so that therefore many of our managers in the organization desperately reach out and say, hey, can you get more Lincoln Tech students to bring on board, because these students understand what we need, as well as they have the basic skill set to perform on the job as they come in on day one.
The reason we like to partner up with Lincoln Tech is because we find applicants that already have knowledge of the trade and know what they want to do, and they got one step up above some of the other applicants to where it just makes better employees.
We've been successful in bringing students even during their program with Lincoln Tech who are eager to learn about our machinery, gain that additional knowledge and experience. And when we've recruited from Lincoln Tech, we really appreciate the fact that those students come in knowing that electrical and HVAC are 2 fields that the United States really needs to build up on.